Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V20. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More, and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to Voice Match, and enable this function. Let's try it. Hey Google. Now we know it's working, let's go back and go to lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered thunderstorms, with a high of 35 and a low of 18.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.